Magandang hapon po ng March 5, 2026 Thursday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng March 5, 2026 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral ng basan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Thursday, March 5, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral ng basan para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 60 Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for March 5, 2026, Thursday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Lotto 642 for Thursday, March 5, 2026. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for March 5, 2026, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.